there, Heidi?
This is our DIY to go kit, our current one. It's a little simple bird kite.
That is really cool. Where can the kids get it?
They can get this outside of the launch pad.
And how long will they be available?
They'll be available for the next 2 weeks or until supplies run out.
Thanks, Heidi.